Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm filming an apartment tour today. We moved in a few months ago, so it's still a work in progress. So we have when you walk in to the right, we have a double closet, co-closet, storage right now. Couple jackets in there, and then off to the left is a double door closet that has our washer and dryer. So, Whirlpool washer and dryer, full size. So this apartment is a little over 850 square feet. So this is a view from the door. It's a lot of hallway when you walk in. So I have a rack I need to build. And we got this console table a couple weeks ago. I need a mirror. And I'm probably gonna put a bench against this wall. So then off to your left is the first bathroom. So I'm not really gonna go in there until I'm not gonna show that too much, but that's what it looks like. And then you walk in further and we have the Nest thermostat. And then I just put a vase here with some flowers that I had from my previous apartment. In a little further, and this is the kitchen. So that's what the kitchen looks like. Beautiful overhead light. It's black with gold in the middle. And then what's nice about this apartment is that there are lights. So this is the overhead light. Double door fridge. And microwave, full-size range. And here's the most fantastic part of all this. Here's a wine fridge, fully stocked wine fridge. Dishwasher is here. Step back a bit. And then this is the pantry. It's all the way up. Then what we did was the island came with the unit, of course. We had purchased this a couple of weeks before we moved out of our last apartment, this Ikea table and chair. So we've just put it here for now. Eventually we'll probably get another table and chairs. And then I just have my paper towel holder, which is from like Home Sense. This bowl, which I use for fruit, is from H&M. still have that. Ikea utensils. I just put my cutlery in there. It's easier to grab. And then, so this is the overview of the living room and the view. So, come into the living room. I have my Alexa, a table from Canadian Tire, my lamp. I still need to get a light bulb from Struck Tube.
That one.
And here is the couch ottoman. This is Ikea Uppland couch, very reasonably priced, and you can get many different covers. The couch and ottoman is sold separately, so the couch is around 500, around there. Don't quote me, but it was a very reasonable price. And then you have to pick your cover. They have white, beige, gray. We went with the gray because the white was not in stock for both the ottoman and the couch. And that's just a Sherpa throw blanket from Indigo and a throw pillow from Winners. So yes, back to the couch. I might eventually change it to a different color, but it's family friendly, and you know, you don't have to worry about stains and whatnot. White is always great, but again, you have to worry about the couch. So then this is the rug. This is also from Ikea. The ottoman and the couch, no, the ottoman and the carpet was purchased within the last month or so. Not too many rugs that you can get. I'm not sure still about this rug, but again, it seems to go with the decor. And then that's just a basket from H&M. TV we wall mounted, and yes, I know I need to get something to hide the cords. And then this is our view. Beautiful view. This is the balcony. I have a really big balcony. But yeah, this is the city. It's an overcast day. It rained today. So often the trains come by. So yeah, so this is my, I guess, luxury apartment tour. This is how it looks from this angle. That glass partition is a second bedroom. And the master bedroom here is on the right. But I will have to do another apartment tour to show you the 2 bedrooms. So yeah, this is, there's a train going by. This is our apartment tour. So guys, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And this is just me walking back down the hallway. And so thank you again. Thank you.